Hey, good morning guys, welcome back. प्री मार्केट खत्म होके ऑलमोस्ट 5-6 मिनट्स हो गया है एंड निफ्टी इज ओपनिंग प्रीटी फ्लैट 14768 पे ओपन हो रहा है विच इज समवेयर अराउंड दीज लेवल्स. सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ रेजिस्टेंस, बट सिंस रेजिस्टेंस के सामने ही ओपन होके सिंस इट इज ट्राइंग टू मूव हायर, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस रेजिस्टेंस टू बी टेकन आउट टुडे. एंड हैविंग सेड दैट, हमको थोड़ा रेंज अच्छा मिल जाता है ये, because there has been a support here and there has been a resistance at these levels. 897 900 के levels के आसपास भी resistance है. So we'll be working with around this range 14650 से लेके almost, I'll just delete everything. Okay, 14650 से लेके 14900 तक, this is first resistance and this will be second resistance and the first support will be these levels. So this will be the range for us. So we'll maintain a slightly neutral to slightly bullish view क्योंकि global sentiments ठीक ठाक ही है. And जैसे इस लेवल को अगर ब्रीच कर देता है then I don't think that this level is gonna hold further. So जैसे इस लेवल से ब्रीच कर देता है, what we gonna do is we gonna let ourselves out of the position. So that's the plan for the day. एंड मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं कि द मार्केट विल बी वोलेटाइल साइडवेज. एट द सेम टाइम बैंक निफ्टी इज ओपनिंग एट 33750, सो वी हैव आवर बास्केट्स रेडी हियर. 33700 एंड 33800 का बास्केट्स हमने रेडी रखे हैं. सो लेट्स सी गाइस, आई विल अपडेट यू वंस द पोजीशंस आर टेकन. ऑलराइट, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू गाइस अ क्विक अपडेट. मार्केट ऊपर है, but still India VIX has shot up by almost 5%, so which is a good thing for someone like us. And all the sectors are in green, including Bank Nifty today, because yesterday everything was in green except Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty काफी weak हो चुका था, but now even Bank Nifty is looking okay. I mean, I won't say that it's looking strong or something, but it's looking okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna execute this. Just a minute, like we have to check the prices as well. 499 and 483. Hello. All right. What we have done is we have executed pretty much at the right price, and let's keep the stop losses ready for that. All right, हमने सारे पोजीशंस एस्टैब्लिश कर चुके हैं. So what we have done is essentially we have established a 450 points triangle here. So 16 lots each, common है, and we've got filled in at decent prices. So now what we are expecting Nifty to do, and what will be the course of our adjustments, right? So the thing is, unless this high gets taken out, ये जो 14850 लेवल्स जब तक ब्रीच नहीं होता है तब तक वी गोना होल्ड ऑन टू दिस पोजीशन. एंड विल आल्सो लुक एट हाउ दीज ऑप्शन प्राइसेस आर गोइंग टू बिहेव, बिकॉज क्या है, दो 15,000 इज pretty close, almost 170-180 points close. These option premiums will not spike up much. The reason being 15,000 is a huge psychological resistance, and वीकली ऑप्शंस में काफी ज्यादा ओपन इंटरेस्ट बढ़ चुका है यहाँ पे. सो पीपल हु आर ट्राइंग टू बाय द ऑप्शन शेयर विल हैव दैट इन माइंड. सो द बाइंग वोंट बी दैट रैम्पेंट, बट द सेलिंग विल बी वेरी रैम्पेंट. मतलब एनी स्लाइट, एनी स्मॉल, even a small negative sentiment will lead to a huge crash in these calls. So that's why जब तक ये अराउंड 60-65 तक एक्सपैंड नहीं होता है, 60-65 तक एटलीस्ट एक्सपैंड नहीं होता है, तब तक there should not be any adjustments further. All right, and अगर if this comes back in this range, अगर ये range के अंदर आ जाता है, wait, I'll just mark this for you guys. हाँ, okay. So 780, 790 के रेंज के अंदर आ जाता है, that's when we're gonna try rolling down our calls. पुट्स को हम आज ज्यादा रोल नहीं करेंगे जब तक 14,600 ब्रीच ना होता है, because we have 14,550 puts, so which is decent now. Looking at the VIX levels, the VIX is slightly cooling off, but the option mark to market is saying otherwise. But anyways, it's just like we are down by half a point or close to 1 point. That's not an issue. And even on Bank Nifty as well. So the VIX is coming down, but these option premiums are kind of spiking up. So let's see, guys. Any further updates, I'm gonna update. Okay, a quick update on all the other sectors. Every sector is in green. ठीक है? Especially Nifty Auto and Nifty IT seems to be stronger, and Nifty IT has been strong since the last couple of days. So Nifty IT continuously Nifty को ऊपर खींच रहा है, and today Bank Nifty is also looking a bit strong now. Bank Nifty is suddenly shooting up. So if that happens, so the VIX should cool off by a good amount, and we are looking at around a 3-point loss now, but that's okay. Not a thing to be worried about, because these calls are expanding and the puts are not at all decaying. So we have to think if we have to shift these puts to 14,600. So that's what we are contemplating on, 14,600 puts. So it is around 10 rupees different. There's 10 rupee difference. So this is where the problem is. So what we're gonna do is, okay. So what we have done is we have shifted down. So sorry, we have shifted up our puts by around 50 points. 50 points हमने shift up किए हैं. Look at this. This is extremely ridiculous. This almost went up by almost 10 points, right? Almost 10 points. But this put didn't even decay anywhere. So this is what we are looking at, some sort of erratic option pricing behavior. So let's hold on to it, guys. Let's hold on to it. Not a thing to be worried about. As long as we are in the range, these prices are bound to cool down. So alright guys, this is one of those weird days जहाँ पे थीटा डी के हमको नहीं मिलने वाला है, ठीक है? The option prices are behaving erratically. जब कॉल ऑप्शन 10 पॉइंट बढ़ रहा है, एक्सपैंड हो रहा है, these put options are not at all crashing. But at the same time, when the put options are expanding, the call options are not at all crashing. So even on Bank Nifty we are cost to cost, and on Nifty we are down by almost 8.5-9 points. So that's the thing. Suppose let's say even if you get lucky, and even if you let's say try to capture some of the theta decay, so the whole day will be gone, just to recover this spiky move that it gave in the span of like 30 seconds to 40 seconds. So let's see, guys, let's see. So we'll try to at least come out at least cost to cost, or with some minor losses. Let's not take a huge loss, but in any case, suppose we hit around 20,000 mark today, if we lose 20k today, so we'll be out of our position. So that's the MTMY stop loss rule. And if you look at the open interest, 15,000 call option. Oh my god, wait, I'll just show you guys. Okay. Alright, look at this 15,000 call. The open interest has been down so much. Nobody is daring to write these 15,000 calls, because everyone is fearing some sort of a short covering move. So अगर ये short covering move आ जाता है, तो these calls are gonna expand quite a bit, but the puts are not gonna expand. But fortunately the Nifty is slightly heading lower. I'm gonna shift it back to the other screen. Now that the calls are back to their fair value, this is what I believe is the fair value of the calls. And so now the open interest is not at all spiking. Like in spite of this sell-off that we've seen in the last 15-20 minutes, the open interest is not at all spiking. So that leads us to believe that this might be a classic case of breakout and a pullback. Okay, alright guys, what we have done is we have pulled ourselves out of this trade क्योंकि ये जो calls है काफी ज्यादा spike up हो रहे थे and the puts were not at all decaying, and as you saw मार्केट ज्यादा कहीं नहीं मूव नहीं किया था, ऑलमोस्ट 20-30 पॉइंट्स का ही मूव किया था, बट वी आर ऑलरेडी लुकिंग एट ऑलमोस्ट 10-11 पॉइंट्स ऑफ ड्रॉडाउन. तो मैंने क्या किया है, व्हेन द मार्केट रिट्रेस्ड हियर, सो इट वाज अ क्लासिक केस ऑफ अ ब्रेकआउट एंड अ रीटेस्ट. करेक्ट, उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे कॉल का प्रीमियम्स काफी नीचे आ गया था एंड एट द सेम टाइम पुट्स हैड नॉट स्पाइक्ड अप. सो आई यूज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू pull the plug on today's trades. So we just took a minor damage. You can't even call it a minor damage. So this was, I felt like, okay bro, like market is giving you a chance to redeem yourself. So this is not the market to be traded with, because जब put spike होता है during that time the calls will decay a lot. But अगर एक डाउन ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में जब fear downside है, अगर उस टाइम पे कॉल स्पाइक होना चालू करता है, yes the calls will definitely spike up, but at the same time not a lot of people are daring to sell the puts. Because of that the puts start holding up the values. So इसलिए क्या हो जाता है, इसलिए you have to keep shifting the puts higher and higher to actually compensate for the spike in calls, but that will come with a lot of reversal risk. Reversal risk के साथ आता है, अगर सपोज लेट्स से कोई तो इंस्टीट्यूशन सेल बटन दबा दिया एंड मार्केट सडनली नीचे कैस्केड होना शुरू कर देता है, तो दिस पुट्स विल expand so much that even the calls will not able to compensate. So that was the rationale behind me exiting the trade. देखो भाई, profit तो बनाते हैं हम लोग, but it's how we behave when we are not comfortable with the market's action. आज के market action I wasn't comfortable at all, क्योंकि the premium behavior was not satisfactory. So because of that I came out of the position. मैं एनालाइज करूंगा, like again I'll analyze, like if I have to go for the straddles, so I'll try to go for the straddles now. So let's see like how the market behaves here. अगर यहाँ पे एक डबल टॉप पैटर्न बना के नीचे आना शुरू करता है, then I feel that a range has been formed. But अगर डबल टॉप नहीं बनाता, if it starts spiking up, so obviously even the open interest data is saying the same thing. अगर open interest देखेंगे तो 15,000 में there has been significant unwinding. That too when the calls were coming down. इस पॉइंट पे जो 20 मिनट में मार्केट नीचे आया, उस पॉइंट पे भी when the market was coming down also, people were unwinding their calls. What does it say? It says that everyone is expecting a breakout, retest and again continuation of the journey. So once that happens, so it's gonna be very hard for option writers to protect their profits. We had already pulled out of the Nifty ka strangle trade, and after some time we also pulled out of our Bank Nifty ka straddle trade. We took a minor 500 rupee loss, which is not something to be worried about. So that's the thing guys. So if you're not comfortable, if the market is not behaving as per your expectation, so there is no point in fighting the market. जैसे मैंने सुबह ट्रेडिंग करना शुरू किया था, since then only the premiums were not behaving in the way they should have behaved. So already हमको पता चल गया था कि like the things were not going smoothly. So we didn't want to hold our positions. There's always the next day. It doesn't mean that like you have to trade on a daily basis. And अगर देखते हैं तो बैंक निफ्टी was just completely all over the place. यहाँ से 3 मिनट में it moved almost 450 points. 450, not 600 points, sorry. In 3 minutes, Bank Nifty shot up 600 points. After that, this candle was sold into, there was a massive cascade of 400 points in another 3 minutes. So Bank Nifty has been all over the place. On the straddles, yes, we would have got a decent decay, but who knows? What if this candle, just a minute, ये जो candle है, it could have been just the starting of a huge short covering rally. Correct? हो सकता था, किसी को पता नहीं. Correct? No, nobody expected that. So this would have taken out all the stop losses. And after that, there will be a lot of people who would have gone long thinking that okay, the market might shoot up now because the volumes were also great even in the futures, but after the 50% of the retracement, didn't hold. Jahan pe, yahan pe. Look at this candles, where is the 50% retracement? Exactly at this point. So जैसे ये 50% retracement hold नहीं किया, so all these people like who would have gone long at these places, so their stop losses would be just below 61% and 50% and 61% का Fibonacci retracement. जैसे वहां पे उनका stop losses trigger हुआ, तो Bank Nifty got sold into. So this is what happens, and the premiums were already kind of factoring in this kind of movement. That's why what we did is, the moment we got a good opportunity, we came out of the markets. So no regrets. अगर हम fight करते, manage करते, तो yes, we would have been profitable. But anything which is making you uncomfortable is not worth your time. So that's something which I've learned. अगर आप uncomfortable है, so basically what you'll be doing, like you'll be trading with some half mind. अगर आप half mind से trading करना चालू करते हैं, तो you'll be making a lot of unforced errors. Market आपको कुछ signal नहीं देता है, but you'll be making errors on your own. So that's the thing. So we'll be sitting out. So match hai aaj. We'll take rest and we'll enjoy the day for today. And tomorrow is Wednesday, so Theta DK will be in our favor. The risk reward will be in our favor. So we'll be sitting for the complete day tomorrow, and also on Thursday we'll be sitting for the complete day. Let's see how much points of DK we can capture on Wednesday and Thursday. As of now, I'm not entering the positions again. हो गया मेरा trading day. I'm not comfortable. Loan moratorium का case भी चल रहा है, and there will be like news based moves. I don't want to get stuck in any of the spikes here. So having said that, that's the end of my trading day, guys. So we almost exited our trading day before 10 o'clock. We didn't take any damage, and see you guys in the next video. Chalo, bye bye.